Welcome back to another video. Today we're doing a POV of a new coffee shop we're gonna try out today. We're not taking the 335i today, but the X7. Welcome back to another video, my coffee drinking people. Well, I'm not sure if y'all actually like drinking coffee or just like to see me go get it, but I haven't done this type of video in a while, and we are trying a new coffee spot today. Not sure if I'm gonna get a coffee or matcha. I do need some energy, if y'all can't tell already. I haven't been driving a truck in a while, as y'all know. Well, if y'all don't know, I got the 335i running. It's no longer just sitting over there abandoned. Check out the other videos. I have been driving that car a lot lately, and actually have been pretty fun. Wait, I think I went the wrong way. What the hell? Alright, y'all, we went the wrong way, but that's fine. Apple is gonna redirect us. But yeah, man, I haven't done this video in a while. Decided I'd go get a little coffee today. It's nice outside, another nice day. If y'all haven't already, check out my last video. I just went ahead and uploaded that yesterday. So I decided, let me go ahead and get back out here and make some more content for y'all while I go get some coffee. Nice little POV. Because recently I became like a matcha guy, and I don't know. I still like my coffee though, so I think I will do coffee today. Specifically a matcha. I mean, not a matcha. What do you call it? Ice white mocha. Yeah. My little girly drink. Tastes good though. Oh shit, that's an XM50 in a turbo. No, it's not a turbo. That's a GTS, a Cayenne GTS. Sick. And the new X3Ms. I don't know about y'all, but that color on the new X3Ms is nice. It's nice. I even debated on wrapping my car that color at one point, but I was like, you know. What y'all think about the new X3s? Alright, the X3 M50, which is the new X3 M40i. They changed it to 50 now. What y'all think about those? It look kind of wonky to me, but I don't know. When I see the new X3Ms, I kind of get a better look at how they want to go sports wise. They're gonna switch up the body a little bit, because right now I'm not the biggest fan of them. So y'all comment down below, let me know what y'all think about those. I do know which BMW everybody didn't like. Well, originally nobody liked the G80, and I always liked it, but then again nobody liked the M2, and you know that one has grown on me a lot. I originally liked that one, but now I think I really like it. I test drove that about a year ago, right before I brought this truck actually. But I kind of like test drove that, and I test drove it. Did I have a video? I don't think I made a video on test driving this car. So yeah, so like I was saying, the M2 is growing on me a lot. I ran into one at the gas station the other day and talked to him for a while. He had a lip on there. And he had it lowered. I mean, that thing was sitting right. I feel like once you lower the new M2s, they're perfect. The stance on them is perfect, dude. But we don't know what the future to hold. I would hate to give away what's the next car to come to the channel. As y'all know, I like to be very secretive on what cars come next. I kind of just go and get it, switch it up and so. But maybe we go look at a couple of cars soon, get a better grasp of what we want for the channel, another car we want for the channel. But in the meantime, we are rebuilding the 335i back to, like, I'm talking about showroom condition. This my exit that's coming up. It's not Starbucks. This coffee place is like 20 minutes away, which that don't matter to y'all. But yeah, man, y'all comment down below, what's y'all favorite M car out of all of the series, or even if it's not an M car, what's y'all favorite BMW? While we building a 335i, I don't want to lose sight of rebuilding this car, because I always do that. Like I have, like for instance, when I was doing a truck, lifting a truck and stuff, and then doing the Porsche, I lost sight of the 335i, and I want to build all of them at the same time. Just like, for instance, like right now I'm working with a company to make custom wheels for this truck, which I think are gonna come out sick. Have a really good idea for this truck, really good vision. So yeah, I'll stick around for that. Right now, this is my favorite car, I would have to say. The 335i is like nice little sports car, and a new car obviously it'll be, you know, something a little bit more sportier for content as well. But yeah, man, I'm super excited for all this. I hope y'all are too. And if y'all made it this far in the video, don't forget to like the video, don't forget to comment, and subscribe if you're not subscribed. If you are subscribed, hit that bell. Yeah, we're on our way to 2,000 subscribers right now. We're at what, 1,300? It's not bad. It's not bad. We came a long way. Oh, I wonder if it's on the left side or the right side of the street. Let me see. Right side. I don't want to do that. Try to make sure it's on the right side of the street so I can get in the right lane. Oof. Ever since we got this truck tinted, it's been dark as shit. And that's, if you're wondering why it's so dark in the car, that's why. I know we're into the thing right now, but the tint is perfect. I took y'all with me to get the tint when I first bought this car. It didn't even last 24 hours before we tinted it. That's the first modification that has to be done on every single car. First. I think I did like 50 on the front, which I should have went darker. And on the sides, I did like 10. We gotta get an exhaust on this thing. I want a Veltronic exhaust for this truck though, like open and close. So when I wanna chill, I can chill. Here's a spot right here. And the parking lot kind of tiny. Pull up right here. That reflection though. Alright, let me go get this coffee. This shit look good. Banana pudding matcha. So I didn't come here with the intentions to get a banana pudding matcha, but this looks pretty good. Not gonna lie. Hey, this is a banana pudding matcha. They got like some cookie crumbles on the top and whatnot. Obviously that's the name of the spot. I'm gonna sit it right here and I'm gonna try it. Should we try it like this today? I don't know. Let's be a little different. So it has like one of those poke tops, but it's not a poke top place. Like, you know what I mean by like the whatever. So I don't want to mix it up. We're just gonna go ahead and go right in there and give it a taste first. It's good. But y'all wanna know something? I don't like banana pudding. What? What the fuck? I mean, it's the most popular drink, so I had to try it. The matcha's good. The banana pudding is like, it tastes like banana pudding. And so I would give it, me personally, like a 5 out of 10. But the matcha is really good. I'm gonna finish it. It was $9 for this. 9 buckaroos. Let's see. See, yeah, when I drank it from the bottom right here, it's really good. But if you like banana pudding, hold on. I do like vanilla wafers though. The vanilla wafers are good. You got actual bananas at the top. Alright, yeah, so we out of here. It was a small little spot, as y'all can see. Small little spot, but the matcha itself was good. I was kind of joking about the banana pudding, not really. I don't like it, but if you do like banana pudding, I see why you would like that. Alright, y'all, sorry about that. The GoPro died on me. But like I was saying, if y'all like matcha and y'all like banana pudding, y'all would like that, because it kind of like, I see why you would like it, you know. The vanilla wafer was good on top, I'll tell you that much. But what's going on? Why are we stopping in the middle of the street? Bro, I don't know about where y'all stay, but out here, people cannot drive, bro. They just be stopping, they be cutting you off, and not the type of cutting you off like going crazy. They cut you off and stop. Everything includes stopping over here. No going. They're not goers. I'm gonna get another sip of this real quick. Let me see. Y'all sip it. You'll taste this. Taste it. Yeah, I think I'm done with it. But I appreciate y'all for coming and try another coffee spot with me. I ain't want to be bland and just get another matcha or another ice white mocha. Let me try something new for the video. Try something new with y'all. It didn't go that good this time. But Brandon, what is you calling me for right now? I'm busy, brother. Anyway, I'm gonna call you back, Brandon. But if y'all want a matcha, y'all see what the hell I be talking about? Like, damn. I'm just trying to beat the rush hour. Rush hour is about to start. It's time to get to the house. Y'all tripping. Don't do it. Don't you do it. I got insurance. And you better have it too, brother. This ain't the predominant area for insurance. That don't say M2 on the back of a 230i. Is he cool? Oh, it's a girl. It's a girl. Does she get a pass? Man, I'm trying to beat this rush hour. It's already starting a little bit. So I appreciate y'all for watching the video. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. If y'all made it to the end, drop a matcha emoji. Do they have a matcha emoji? Make a matcha emoji. Let me see your best matcha emoji and what you put for matcha. I know what mine is. I can't tell y'all though, because y'all gonna steal it. But what's y'all matcha emoji? Put it down below. Appreciate y'all for watching the video. Appreciate y'all for sticking around. And stay around for more content to come. I got more videos. We got a quick little sneak peek though, because it's the last 10 seconds of the video. We got new valve covers, new hose pipes, or new turbo hoses, all catch can, charge pipes, intakes, and something else I forgot that I ordered, but I can't remember right now. Oh, a PCV valve. So y'all stick around for the installation of those videos for the 335i. Catch y'all in the next video. Don't forget to leave y'all matches at the comments. All y'all engagement helps.
2 hours later.
A pumpkin muffin, I'm sorry.
Pumpkin muffin.
And one lemon loaf.
Okay, anything else?
That's it.
Your total's gonna be 24,808.